Wagwan vlogger. So just want to spend this time to tell everybody Merry Christmas and all the best for 2026, sending out some good energy out there, love, positivity, and the blessings of Jesus Christ, right? So this vlog I've been supposed to shoot it for a little minute, but every time I start, I just I erase it. I think I do it about 2 or 3 times. I just erase it. It's like it's never enough. But this Christmas without mom, different. Normally would be cleaning up the place and changing stuff and put up a one pepper light when we did have it and stuff like that. I'm cooking and just preparing, cut the yard and invite people, but that not gonna go on. That ain't gonna go on this year. Yeah, my family can't even manage it. My sister and thing feel different. Yeah. And, also you even feel weird too because my bro Nikai, he passed away, as you can see in the title of this vlog. Something in my eye? Okay, thank God. Yeah, my bro that passed away, he was supposed to also come up. We link him for Christmas dinner and he will not come up, and then you guys meet him and know him already. So that yeah, man, it's been a crazy journey. Lost so much family member, lost so much friends. Yo, I really think losing so much friends that become family and family member, I mean, you know, that probably affect me mentally when I have to ask. But the story of Nikai, I met him when I was in Montego Bay dancing at my dance studio for the time that I was down there, a friend that became a head coach that became a friend, and a friend became family. The kindest, the most loving, and the man that just emulate and show the features of Jesus, and the best thing I've ever done there for me as a virgin and as a brother, someone I can always call and just always talk to, and that's all I reason about, too. I even pray to get, big up his wife, aka, big sis, Anna, that is. Also his mother, big up mom and grandma and pops. Trust me, good people to me. Me and that boy there, aka my brother, got through whole heap of storms, whole heap of things I don't even want to say and share. Trust me, if Miss Sinus was here, she would tell you she inside asleep. Good memories, storms and stuff like that, and yeah. A testing for me do and not even get to go in funeral because I was so far trying to work out a ride and stuff like that, Mom and big sister, I must beat up myself, but I really take it to heart because my brother will not do anything for me and it mash me up that I not even they get the chance to go, But I know if he was here, he would understand I still want to apologize same way. I wish I could have done more, even for my mother. Too, you know. Yeah. There's a video at the end of this, guys. Please watch it. Like tribute, you know, and a song to my bro, you know. Yeah. Christmas not gonna be the same, but we give God thanks for the blessing, don't it? But apart from that, big up to everybody who watch my video then. We have some big plans that come up. And we're gonna build up back the thing to where it should have there. Big up to all the people who support me from day one up to now. Big up to Snake. Big up to Adachi, Godman, Mr. Williams, Shari Pari, Sadiki, cousin. Big up, big up, big up. Big up to Mommy Tinemi. Wow, there's so much people to big up. Big up Mr. Bowler, Asaro. Big up to Psychotic Genius, wherever you are, my brother. Big up to Peasant, my bro Peasant. Big up to Valkyries, my people, and big up, man. Big up Triforce, my brother. Big up Sash and the rest of the crew. Big up to the viewers. Big up to Desi, big up to Joe, big up to Anna, big up to Mom, big up to Mom in country, big up yourself, big up to Pops, big up to Denick, big up to Baby Silence, big up to all of my friends who really support me. Yeah, man. So anyway, I'll drop this up quick and then I want to flip the energy, positive energy this year and for the rest of the year. So love you know, watch the video and just go on journey with your boy. And remember that nothing can stop us. Kiss God, I will rock. Merry Christmas. God bless you. Thank you for the support.
It's time.
Yeah. I can't believe you're gone, my brother. Man, your spirit's still there with we. Real soldier in a God army. Rest in power, my G. Yeah. Not just other day, me see you just a chill round at the corner. You look for me and bust a smile and ask me what I want, so we had a gig to sing some songs, me can't believe this torture. If you hear this are the last, you're gone to greener pastures. Jano, me wouldn't believe it if them tell me again. Me cannot believe it, say me lose a true friend. And even though me know say this will not be the end, it doesn't mean the pain you not go call me out no fi bend. A soldier gone home, God call him name. Man he fly high on the heavenly plane. You fight the good fight and it never in vain. No, you rest in peace, my friend, I will see you again. A soldier gone home, God call him name. Man he fly high on the heavenly plane. You fight the good fight and it never in vain. No, you rest in peace, my friend, I will see you again. I wouldn't believe this are the last night.
Wouldn't believe this are the last night.
Wouldn't believe this are the last night. But I trust in our God it will be alright, yeah. soldier gone home.
God call him name.
Money fly high.
Money ever leave plane.
You fight a good
Fight and it never in vain.
Now you rest in peace, my friend. I will see you again. A soldier gone home.
Money ever leave plane.
You fight a good fight.
And it never in vain.
Now you rest in peace, my friend. I will see you again.
Goodbye for now. Let God be your choice.
Brothers and sisters, we do not want you to be uninformed about those who sleep in death, so that you do not grieve like the rest of mankind, who have no hope. For we believe that Jesus died and rose again, and so we believe that God will bring with Jesus those who have fallen asleep in him.